Hello everyone and welcome to our Facebook page. So again today we will see how to make different crafts with different things which is available to you at your home. So at first we are making a beautiful scenery with earbirds and you can see this is completed. Next we will use some eggshell to make some mushrooms. We'll cut the eggshell to half and we'll use some clay and we'll paste it on the paper. Next we'll make the grass and we'll make the stem with the clay. Now again we are using the eggshell to make some flowers. We are also coloring it, and after coloring we will paste it on the paper and you can see how we are making the stem and a bug. We are using the same eggshell to make it and this is completed. Next we will use some paper and we'll fold it. You can see how we have done it, and we will tear it in different pieces. Next we will use our hand to make some ants, and then we will add the faces to the ants and you can see how good it is looking now. Next we will use some clay to make different craft. We are making some cactus with the clay and you can see also added the texture and this is looking so real. Next we are making some ice cream sticks and we are coloring it in different colors. We are using the yellow color, red color and pink color. You can use any color. Next we will use the clay to make the cream. You can see this is ready. Next we are using the clay to make different cactus and we are also adding the flowers to it, and you can see how easy it was to make, and this is completed. Next again we are using some earbirds and we are pasting it on the paper to make a beautiful flower. We are using the clay also and we are using different color clay to make a bee, and you can see this is completed. Next we will cut a plate into half and we'll paste it on the paper. We'll make some delicious watermelon with it. We are pasting the pieces and you can see how we are adding the seeds with the pen, and this is completed. Now we'll make a face of a hippo, or I guess we are making some Christmas hat. Let's see what we are making. We are using the glue and next we'll paste some pieces of paper to it, and yes, we are making a Christmas hat. Now we'll use some straw and some color and we'll spread it on the paper, and next we'll use some flour and we'll paste it with it, I guess, and yes, we'll paste it, and now this is looking like a tree with beautiful flowers. Next we're using a circular shape paper and we've folded it to make a crab. We have also made the eyes and we have pasted it. Now we're using the marker to make the legs and the ears. Next we have cutted some eggshell in different shape to make some beautiful flowers, and we are also making the leaves with it. And now we'll paste it on the paper. You can see how we have made the bug, and next we'll also add the leaves and the flowers to it, and this is ready. Now we are using some paper tape to make a circular shape on the paper, and we are making the Chinese lamp, and you can see how easy it was to make. We are also adding the flowers to it. Next this is ready. Now again we are using some eggshell and we are coloring it and we are pasting it on the paper. You can see at first we have made the tree. Now we'll paste the eggshell to the paper, and again we have made the Chinese lamp. Thank you very much for watching the video.